Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am sure you will be all well. We begin our science lesson for the week 5. Dear students, we are still at chapter keeping warm and the subtopic for today is heat. In this chapter, you have learned so far temperature, thermometer and types of thermometer, freezing and boiling point of water, units of measure of temperature. Through this lesson, students will be able to discover facts about heat such as heat transfer from the hot object to a cooler object. Find out gain of heat to cool objects. Investigate loss of heat from a hot object. Identify natural and man-made sources of heat. What is heat? Heat is form of energy that flows from a hotter object to a cooler object until both objects reach same temperature. Example: if you put a metallic spoon in a hot cup of tea, you will notice that it turns hot in a few seconds because heat travels from a hot tea to the spoon, whose temperature was less as compared to tea. The temperature of the tea will drop a little. Sources of heat. Any object that releases heat is known as source of heat. For example, the sun, stove, fire, and candle. The sun is the biggest and natural source of heat energy. Lava from volcano, hot natural geysers are all examples of natural sources of heat. Man-made sources of heat. The sources of heat such as iron, stove, hair dryer, toaster, oven, and many more are man-made sources of heat. Precaution: be careful while using sources of heat or you may get harmed.
Temperature around us have a huge impact on how humans and animals live. Our way of living, food and many other things depend upon the temperature around us. Let's discuss how does temperature affect human beings and animals. Summer is hot and temperatures can rise to 40 degrees or higher. We dress lightly and play outside. We go for picnics, have ice creams and cold drinks. We use air conditioners to cool our rooms. And we drink lots of fluids to keep ourselves hydrated. Winter is cold and temperatures can drop to 0 degrees or lower. We wear warm woolen clothes and use heaters to keep warm. We also consume hot beverages like coffee and soups. Animals do not put on clothing. How do they keep warm during winter? Let's find out. Feathers of birds do not let heat to pass through them easily. Birds trap air by fluffing up their feathers during winter to keep warm. Some animals and birds migrate or move in huge numbers to another place that is warmer before winter arrives. They move back when winter is over. Some animals, such as the marmots, hibernate during winter when food is scarce. Their breathing rate, heart rate and body temperature drop when they are in the sleep-like state so that they will use less energy. Let's find out what animals do when weather gets too hot. Some animals, such as lizards, stay in shade to keep cool. Some animals, such as the cane toad, bury themselves in underground burrows and go into a sleep-like state to reduce water loss during hot weather. Temperature affects how we and other animals live, as well as our survival. When the weather is very cold or very hot, it is difficult for us and other animals to live. We have to find ways to keep ourselves and our surroundings not too hot and not too cold. This brings us to the end of.
Dear students, I hope the topics are quite clear to you. Here it is time for the written work. You have to attempt the following questions. Number 1. Define heat. What is the main and natural source of heat? Number 3. Name some natural sources of heat. Question 4. What are the man-made sources of heat? Give 4 examples. Question 5. How does temperature affect human life? Wrap up. Dear students, you have learned this lesson. Heat as a form of energy. Different man-made and natural sources of heat. The natural and main source of heat. How does temperature affect our lives? Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.